Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to trade star on Monopoly Go. So in order to trade star on Monopoly Go, you have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and open up your Monopoly application and log in into your account. When you're logged in, then you have to go ahead and press on the star icon and star in Monopoly Go. You need to start by identifying the sticker your friend already owns. Send the duplicate card so that it turns out to be star. So then send them the duplicate of those stickers, and when your friend receive these duplicate, they'll automatically turn into star based on the rating shows at the top of the stickers. And likewise, you just have to go ahead and press the card, and if you see this option as send it to your friend, then press on it, and accordingly you could go ahead and select the friend that you wish to share the following card with, and he or she will be notified. It's gonna be transferred to star when he or she receives. So that's how you can trade star on Monopoly Go. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.